Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start here. Verify your Surface Pro model so you know which firmware options appear. Once done, plug in the type cover or keyboard. BIOS navigation needs keyboard input. Make sure the battery is above 20% to avoid shutdowns, and prepare a USB recovery drive in case settings block boot. Press and hold the power button briefly to wake the device, then get ready to use the volume up key to enter UEFI. The exact timing matters, so take a breath and follow the next step. Now you will enter UEFI. Shut down completely. Do not choose Restart, because Restart may skip the UEFI window. Hold volume up, then press power once. Keep holding volume until the Surface logo appears and UEFI loads. Use arrow keys or touch to navigate. Change boot order to prioritize USB if installing, and disable Secure Boot if a non-signed OS is required. Once done, save changes. Understanding each option prevents accidental data loss, so proceed deliberately and confirm before leaving. Finish by saving settings and exiting UEFI. The device will reboot with the new configuration. If you configured USB boot, insert the drive before powering on and verify the Surface boots into your installer or OS. If the device ignores changes, reset UEFI to defaults, then reapply only necessary tweaks. Or, if it won't boot, use the USB recovery drive to repair Windows. This restores firmware access without data loss when done carefully. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.